Very good. I really could get the keyword convince. Marketing is about convincing. And
Yes,
unless you are convinced yourself, you will not be able to convince others.
yes,
Yes? No? Right?
yes,
So that brings us to the objective of this training. The product knowledge is essential for sales skills, and understanding the features of the product will allow us to portray or present its benefits to the customers. And customers will respond enthusiastically to the staff who is very passionate about their product and eager to share the benefits. That
yes,
means to convince, it is important to be convinced inside. Yeah?
yes,
Why should we know and what should we know? Like I mentioned, so at times less is more, and at times even more is less. Even after 3 hours of presentation in a school or a demo in a school, they will still ask you 100 questions. It's
yes,
not their fault then. It's our shortcoming that even after 3 hours, we were not able to tell them completely. And there will be demos wherein, an online webinar of 30 minutes will get you customers who are, ready to take your product. That is why it is important to know our product so that we know the product in and out in such a way that we know which feature of the product needs to be pitched in to which client. Like there is different medicine for different diseases, there are different products for different customer need, right? And that brings us to the various features and the benefits to the customer. What is the purpose? It will meet the need and demand, and it will save our time and money in terms of the extra effort that you will have to put if you don't know the product. How does it work? It is easy if it is not complicated or any such complicated features of the product which you need to portray. You just need to portray that this is the best thing that you can give it to your child. Okay. It supports the local industry and helps the environment. We are not importing any international software. Everything is home based, home created, and in local language. And you will be confident when you promote. If you know the product well, it will show in your confidence. And your confidence is the eyes of the company. And you as an individual, you are the face of the company. Confidence always shows in the eyes of the person, right? And also the body posture, the soft skills, the hand movement. You'll find people, uh, playing or struggling with the hands. That shows their underconfidence. You'll find people having fumbling or stammering while presentation. That means they don't know the product, right? So to know the product is the foundation or the base on which you build customers, right? How do we compare it with the similar product if we don't know the product? It is very important to know your competitors. So we know our competitors through knowing our product and doing a detailed study on others' products. What do you think is NavaVision competing with? Like which type of companies can you think of and can you name a few?
Yeah, it's like Byju's and White Hat Junior, like Vedic, Vedantu.
Yes, yes, very good. Thank you. That brings me to another point is after you compare it with the product, how do you tell the people or the customers that, this is value for money. This is what you are getting at the most cheapest rate, but at the best price. Okay. And it strengthens the limitation and capabilities to deliver the benefits in terms of buying the product. It is well matched to the need. Like we shared, it is bridging the gap between the future generation of education and the current generation. Yes. So that brings us to knowing the product. And after knowing the product, how do we use this knowledge? We do it in the demo. Average demo can range from 20 minutes to 40 minutes. Minimum of 20 minutes, maximum of 40 minutes. So we need to know very clearly what are we going to say and how are we going to say. The average of 30 minutes has been divided in such a way that you end up explaining everything to the customer and leave the customer with questions. These questions will help the customer to connect back to the company. First is you start with an introduction of why is the product needed. Suppose we are going for a demo to a school, say a CBSE school. So we need to start by explaining them that why does the school need NavaVision product? Then what all are we offering? Probably you know that the company needs, say, student management system, but we will not tell them only that. We will tell them everything that we have to offer. Then you also tell that, it is not a company which has just started. It has been credibility. It has a credibility in front of the government because it has been approved by the government. It has a curriculum which is based on the CBSE curriculum. We are not making anything. We are quite in structure and in lieu with the requirement or a pattern or a standard set by a board, Central Board of Secondary Education. Right? And then you share the USPs of the company. Like one of the USP is QR-based worksheet. It is user-friendly. And like this brings me to a point which you were sharing that, we have competitors like Whitehead, Byju's, and Vedantu. But what is our USP? We are one umbrella solution. We have everything in one head. Yes? And give them an experience of the company. How will you do that? They will download the free applications available on the Play Store. Do not leave them just by listening to the theory. Show them the website. Ask them to type and open the website navavision.com. At least that much. Rest, it is always beneficial for us to let them download the application and see some of the sample videos. Okay, so this is the format of the demo. Now, Any questions that you have, or anything which you want to share, or we'll move ahead uh, with maybe 10 minutes break and we resume at 12:30. 5 minutes break or 10 minutes break. 5 is good or 10 is fine. 5 or 10? 5 minutes? Okay? Okay. So please, we'll resume in another 5 minutes and probably we'll start another meeting, like altogether a new meeting, so that we don't have to rejoin in between. Please ask your questions if you have any, and let me know something which you did not understand from the PPT, or you want to add something in this PPT. The suggestions are very much welcomed. Any more feature that you think can be added, or your feedback related to the presentation. Is it okay? So then let's meet at 12:30. Okay? Yeah. We'll keep it 12:35. Okay? Generous enough to keep it 12:35. See all those faces smiling broader. I can understand, I have been under this journey in last 5 years, where you're made to sit and somebody's talking, and your brain is saying, "Bas karo, I am full. I need a break." Okay, so we call it a short water and washroom break. Please keep hydrated. Make sure that you drink some amount of water in this break. Okay, and help yourself. Probably pick a chai or a cup of coffee, whatever you want, and we resume at 12:40. Okay, I'll see you in some time. Bye.